Hi, I'm Dargie and this is 5-Minute Photography, where we break down photography learning into easy chunks of 5 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about neutral density graduated filters. That's a bit of a mouthful, but it's a really simple thing that can really help you improve your landscape photography. Before I get into that, let me take a second to invite you to subscribe to the channel and give the video the old thumbs up. It really helps on YouTube. Head to my website grahamdargie.com where you can get my free ebook 3 Steps to Better Photographs. Okay, let's talk photography. A graduated filter is a filter that allows you to selectively darken a part of your image, usually the sky. When you're shooting landscape photography, it's quite often the case that the sky is a lot brighter than the land, and in some cases it can be so much brighter that you can't accurately expose both parts of the image in the same shot, and the sky ends up completely overexposed or the land ends up completely underexposed. That's where the graduated filter comes in. The grad filter allows you to filter only the sky and not the land part of the shot. This brings the brightness of the sky closer to the brightness of the land and allows you to capture the entire scene in one frame. Graduated filters come in different strengths, colours and gradients, and they're attached to the camera using a filter holder like this. The filter holder lets you accurately position the grad, and you can see exactly where it's sitting just by looking to the viewfinder or on the LCD screen on the back of the camera. If you're new to graduated filters, I recommend a 2-stop or 0.6 hard ND grad. And if you're interested to know more about my filter kit, I'm going to do a video about that coming out really soon, and I'll link that at the end of this video. If you don't have a grad filter kit, it is possible to do this by shooting a bracket of 2 or 3 images and then putting them together in Lightroom, Photoshop or whatever. And some cameras will even do that in the camera for you. And there's also a grad filter tool in Lightroom which works brilliantly if you want to adjust your sky in post-processing. There's nothing wrong with that approach, and I've done it myself many times, but there's still something that feels just right about getting it in the one shot in the camera. And so if you want to do that, then the grad filter is still a great tool to have for your landscape photography. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I hope you took something away from this video. If you did like it, hit subscribe so you can get new videos as they come up, and give the video the thumbs up. It really makes a difference. Don't forget to head to my website grahamdargie.com where you can find out about my photography tuition tours and safaris, and you can get my free ebook 3 Steps to Better Photographs and Intro to DSLR cheat sheet. That's it. Enjoy your photography, stay safe, and I'll see you out there.